Everything that happens during the day, our thoughts, emotions, meetings, even short phrases we hear from others, leaves an imprint on our energy field. We don't always notice it, but in the evening, the soul begins to whisper, "I need to let go." Before sleep, take a few quiet moments to cleanse yourself, not only your body, but also the space around you. It's not magic, it's care for your own energy. Step 1, preparation. Create a calm atmosphere. You can light a candle or simply imagine its flame. Light is the symbol of awareness. It dissolves the tension of darkness. Close your eyes and say silently, "I allow myself to release everything that no longer serves me." Step 2, breathing. Take 3 deep breaths. With each inhale, imagine peace and light entering you. With each exhale, feel fatigue, anxiety, and other people's emotions leaving your body. The whole day slowly melts in your breath, like mist under the first rays of morning light. Step 3, energy cleansing. Imagine a gentle stream of light opening above you. It descends softly through your head, shoulders, chest, arms. It flows around your whole body, washing away energetic dust like a warm shower. If it feels right, whisper quietly, "I cleanse myself of all that is not mine. I reclaim my strength, lightness, and harmony." This light doesn't come from outside. It's yours. It's the part of you that always remains pure. Step 4, inner silence. When your body is relaxed and your breath steady, let your thoughts grow quiet. Don't try to stop them. Just observe as they drift by like clouds. In this silence, your subconscious begins to speak. Right now, it prepares your dreams, messages, answers, symbols meant for you. Step 5, gratitude. Before falling asleep, thank this day. Even if it was difficult, it taught you something. Say silently, "Thank you that I am here. I live, I feel, I learn." And allow yourself to sink into sleep, soft, clear, and renewing. A sleep that restores you. When you wake up, don't rush. Remember what you saw. Perhaps the very first image that appears is already the answer. Dreams are not an escape. They are a continuation of your conversation with yourself. And every night like this is another step toward inner clarity. The subconscious speaks to us through dreams, symbols, and quiet sensations. If you wish to understand its language, stay with us. Subscribe to Night Oracle Guide and keep discovering yourself, one vision at a time.